90% polyester, 10% nylon. Endless possibilities. The Yourigami Green Meadows Kids Play Couch comes with 4 modular pieces that can be transformed into countless shapes for rest or play. Create a secret club in a cozy hideaway fort or flip open a luxurious throne chair for your toy kingdom. Paneled pieces come with handles and a stash pocket for storing accessories, so your mini furniture set is quest ready. Play it clean. Sometimes the playroom can get a little messy, but there's no need to fear. That's because each piece comes with a zippered cover that's easily removable, machine washable and dryable. This makes refreshing your kids' furniture a piece of cake. Store for tomorrow. Once your children and toddlers have played and laid to their heart's content, this fold-out sofa couch forms into a variety of configurations for convenient storage under the bed, in the corner or in the closet. When they're ready for the next day of adventures, they can simply pull out the play couch and build something fantastical. The fun goes on. The sturdy support foam in this folding convertible sofa is CertiPure US certified, environmentally conscious and tested for durability. It's the perfect centerpiece for your child's friend group and younger family members. Better yet, this couch can last into their teen years as a comfy lounger. Shaped for you. Yourigami crafts soft furniture for your kids' bedrooms, offering relaxing hang spots or creative-based experiences with open-ended possibilities. Our colors are each named after unique settings, so you can choose where you want to travel. Let boys' and girls' imaginations run wild with pieces that deliver compressed for simple shipping. It's the safe space they need to expand their minds and think outside of the box. Is assembly required? False. Top reviews from the United States. As good as Nugget in my opinion. I have friends that have the Nugget brand foam pillows and they are nice, but theirs are just as good in my opinion. The cover are water resistance, which I like cause no kids. They appear to be easy to take the covers off for a quick was in the washing machine, and they defi btly was very well packaged and actually came in really quick.